Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to prepare daily stock with multiple location and how only the authorized users can enter the data and can be visible to authorized user. So first create Excel sheet. For stock I have created material management. This is for East, date and cement bags, bricks, sand, aggregates, opening balance and used purchase available, like that information is given. The format for all zones are same only thing is the access will be different. Those who are working in north side, they can access north. Those who are working in west, they can able to access west. Okay, for that we have to create some security. Okay, zone wise we have created 4 sheets. First thing is we have to create overall security for file worksheet. For accessing file itself need some password. For that simply click on file, info, then protect worksheet, password. So whenever you want to open file itself, it require password. Small letters best. So I just note down file security, password best. Okay, click OK. Again same, confirm it, best. Once the file is protected with password, just save as. You can put it in a C drive. Each and every zone we need to create password. Okay, for East, protect sheet. Whatever requirements you can able to click it and you can maintain it. For East, I just put sunrise. Be sure that whenever you are setting password, keep it in a notepad so that you can remember in future. I just put it again, sunrise. Again create one password. I just put simple cold. Cold. For south, I just put hot. The password should be very strong. For demonstration purpose only, I just put simple password. For west, sunset. You can able to download this file, you can able to check it. Once again, save it. Once open the Outlook, then click on Cloud, OneDrive. You create one folder wherever you want. You just open the folder, put the file into the cloud. So now it is available in cloud OneDrive. So from here you can able to send to east, south, west, north region. You can able to send it. I just open it. Password best. No thanks. There are two options. One is for edit and another is for view. Here this is the sheet. Once link is created, you can able to make some changes. Okay, you can give permission. You can give name or email ID specific to name. Apply. You can specify time also. So simply copy and send it to users so that they can enter the data into this Excel sheet. Based on their role, they can able to enter or view this file. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.